If you want to unlink your Crunchyroll account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Step 1. Log into Crunchyroll. Visit the Crunchyroll website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the account that is currently linked to your Facebook. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page and selecting account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled linked accounts or connections. This section will display all the accounts that are currently linked to your Crunchyroll profile, including Facebook. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook option within the linked account section. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Click this option to initiate the unlinking process. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to unlink your Facebook account. Confirm your choice to complete the process. You should receive a notification that your Facebook account has been successfully unlinked. Now your Crunchyroll account is no longer connected to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Crunchyroll support for further assistance.